Question is the function f defined by this. See how the function is defined here. For all the values of x which is equal to or less than 1, function is x. For all the values of x which is greater than 1, function value is 5. And we have to check whether the function is continuous at these 3 points or not. So first we will check for first part, that is x equal to 0. So to check function is continuous at x equal to 0, that means what we should check here? To check limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to f of 0. Now we'll solve for left hand side. So limit x tends to 0 f of x. X tends to 0. For x tends to 0 means this value will come in which function? First one or second one? First one. So for x tends to 0, that means value of x approaching to 0, near to 0, function will be defined as x. Because this function is for all x which are greater than 1. But we need the value of x reaching or approaching 0. So we should consider first function. So limit x tends to 0, function will be equal to x. Now we can substitute value of x here. So x value is 0, equation 1. And right hand side will be f of 0. F of 0 means this function only. So directly we can write x value as 0. See, both the values are equal. What we can write from 1 and 2? From 1 and 2, limit x tends to 0 f of x equals to f of 0. That implies f is continuous at x equal to 0. So this is end of the first part. Now for this one, for x equal to 1. Again for x equal to 1 we should check whether function is continuous or not. That means what we should check here? Whether limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1 or not. Okay, so what we will do here? Limit x tends to 1 f of x. Left hand side will consider limit x tends to 1 f of x equals to, now x tends to 1. So for that, see here, function is defined as for the values less than 1 and greater than 1 or equal to 1 also. So in this condition, we should consider left hand limit and right hand limit, isn't it? So we'll consider left hand limit, that will be x tends to 1 minus. That means x tends to 1 minus, what does this indicate? That value of x is less than 1. Okay, so in which function value of x is less than 1? First function. So in place of f of x we'll write x value. Now answer will be, for this x value will substitute 1. Okay, this minus only indicates that value of x is less than 1. It doesn't indicate that x value is minus 1. So here answer will be 1. Okay, then we'll consider right hand limit. Here we should change because of this condition. That means we should check here 1 minus f of x and f of 1. These three expression we should check here. Now right hand limit. Right hand limit means limit x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus indicates that value of x is greater than 1. So in which function it is greater than 1? Second function. So second function means 5. Now this function is constant function independent of x. So this will be 5 only, isn't it? Now here you can observe limit, both the limits are unequal. That means limit does not exist. If limit does not exist means how can we say about the continuity? So we can write function is not continuous since limit does not exist. Limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. No need to check for f of 1 value, isn't it? F of 1 value, whatever it will be. But we got both the limits are unequal. That implies limit does not exist. Okay, so we can write limit does not exist. So function will be discontinuous, function won't be continuous. Now for x equal to 2, third part, x equal to 2. Now for x equal to 2, function, see this function, first function is for x is less than equal to 1, but our x value comes in second function because it is 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So for all the means expression we should consider this function only. So what we have to check here, limit x tends to check limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to f of 2. So right hand side is limit, left hand side is limit x tends to 2 f of x equals to limit x tends to 2, x value approaching to 2. So that means this function only will come. So answer is 5. This is constant function, so limit of the constant function is same only. This we can name as 1. And right hand side is f of 2, isn't it? Right hand side is f of 2. So f of 2 means which function will come? This function only. Directly we can write. So therefore from 1 and 2, what we can write, limit x tend to 2 f of x is equal to f of 2. Therefore, or here only, therefore f is continuous at x equal to